Yo! What's happening, you guys? What is happening, gang? Sorry I'm super zoomed in on me today, but I'll fix the camera later. New beats, who's this? So check this out, I dropped the monetization on YouTube. And I dropped it so I could play music freely. Daniel, mic is fucked? Is it really? Mic sounds weird. Oh no. Does it sound different now that the music stopped? Radio voice. Okay, let me have a look quickly. Does it sound better now? Oh, I know what, one more thing. Check. Does it sound better now? Good now. Yep, much better. Okay, dope. It was actually coming through the fucking it was coming through the thing, the camera. All right, I'll turn on the noise thing as well then. I'll turn on the noise suppressor as well. Uh-oh. No, don't crash. Oh, thank God. All right, gang. What's good? Did you catch any Asia? Yeah, caught a earlier Asia one. But what's happening, you guys? Let's have a look over here. Oh shit, this looks nice already. Kind of missed a potential sell here. Maybe. Had a good day again. Yeah, had a good day again so far. So we'll see what happens over here. But yeah, man, so check this out. I was getting like, so realistically, like doing the numbers, you get like $500 a month for live stream monetization. Which I'm like, 500, that's all right, just for an ad to pop up here and there. But it's just too annoying with fucking shit music. Not to say the music I put on now is any better, but it's just like, at least I can just pick any type of music. So you guys better love me because there's no more ads and better music. And I was just like, man, if I want to make extra 500, that means I just have to trade better. But yeah, let's have a look over here. I'm just gonna kick TikTok off as well. Brothers. Yeah, gold's doing its... Gold's been gold again. It's pretty crazy. Let me kick TikTok off. I mean, yeah, kick TikTok. Wow. Kick TikTok off. Hey, motherfucker. Sorry guys, one sec. I get this feel. Off. The fuck is this? Sorry. You'd think after doing 1,000 million streams that I'd be able to come in and be ready, but I guess that's just not how the world works. I guess that's just not how the world works. I'm just setting this thing up real quick. Gold's kind of just consolidating here for a sec, so we're not really missing anything just yet. And we've got 8 minutes till London Open. Eight minnows. All right, finally. Okay, you guys, let's have a look. Sorry for that. That's really annoying. But here we are. Okay, if this breaks above here, I think I'm interested. If this breaks above here, I think I'm interested. I think that makes somewhat sense. Yes, I can finally feed mum. You guys didn't even get to make my coffee. What's up, YouTube? I mean, TikTok. Can you show us where you take that Asia trade? Yeah, I'll show you. If you remind me that in a second here, I'll show you. But let's do a quick bit of analysis here just to make sure that we're making sense. Okay, so that 4-hour support created there. Elmandy, what up? What up? The 1 hour came down very strong. 1 hour closure. Would like, yeah, if this, we'll see how this 1 hour candle closes. Thank you for the gifts over there, you guys. On TT. But other than that, we're kind of consolidating. Sells look like dog shit. Sells look like a bad, not fun. Maybe we could take sells below there. Maybe if we get like a clean enough closure right at a good point. What does it look like on Forex? Okay, it looks better on Forex for sells. The range is a bit cleaner for sells on FX. I wanna be where you are. Maybe I'll listen to the music as well. Let's put that in. Let's bring it right back to the old school days. I used to rock a earpiece. Yeah. Buys above here. Guys who love queers. I am not him. What's up, Kelvin? Need a closure. If we don't get that, then I'll blow my account. What's up, Spice? Good to have you in the house. Cells below here. So that's how we're getting down today. And let's see what happens. Oh, shit. Let's have it. Put this here. Oh, shit. What did I do? Yeah, you guys on TikTok, you can't see shit. Live on YouTube, you guys on TikTok, if you want to see the full chart. Oh, look at this, John. Every time I'm 2 or 3 trades from passing, I try to pass it in one, get my ass kicked. Yeah. Yeah, well, I've had that in the past as well. That's why I always say, like, if you're like a couple trades away from finishing, have it in your head that I don't care if I finish this. I don't care if this takes 3 more weeks to finish. Right? I found that's a good little hack. I like a new background. Thank you. Fuck, is it too loud on TikTok? No, did he? That's surprisingly on beat. Bro, you're talking to a fucking rapper. I'm a rap god. Oh, it's too loud on YouTube. One pulse entry sell on Forex. What's got you interested in that? Sorry guys, I'll never become unprepared again. Test, Daniel, test, check. Test, Daniel, test, check. I think it's alright. Alright, lock in, chat. Lock in. What's up, Nikki? You profitable? Yeah, I guess so. Doey, how's your stream? Let me know if you ever want a shout out for your stream and stuff like that as well. I might as well show this to the guys on the YouTube. I mean, TikTok. Don't say I never do anything for you, TikTok. But yeah, there's that 1 hour closure. Bodies are getting smaller. Ania, what up, what up? 30-minute, kind of in, yeah, not much information there on the 30. Yeah, we're just in this range here. So I think this is a decent range to kind of pin the market, and you can see what I'm looking at. There's no type 2 set up here. This is this is strictly a breakout area. And the other thing I'm breaking out is a fucking sour strap, zest strap. How many confirmations do you wait for to take a trade? Not many. Not many. I'll show you guys what else I'm doing over here. I brought a top step account the other day. Now, before I show you this, one, this is not a flex, and two, I don't advise this. But when I'm in the challenge phase, I go pretty aggressive. With Top Step, the minimum days you can pass a challenge is 3 days, because you can only get 50% of the account max per day. So unless you can perfectly get 50% of the account in 2 days, which you can't. So it's essentially a 3-day thing. So, you know, I've got $488 to get on the account to pass this 50K. Obviously you can see a pretty heavy trade that was taken earlier. So I can't trade this again until tomorrow, and then I'll hopefully pass it by tomorrow. Oh, you guys on TikTok can't see this. I'm live on YouTube. You guys on TikTok if you want to see the full chart. Yep, funded account. I thought it was not 50% in one trade. No, it's 50% in 1 day. Wait, is it? No, yeah, it's 1 day, I think. Not one trade. You made 1,300 yesterday? Yeah. I made 1,200 today. Oh shit, I should probably turn my shit off. Thank God. I thought I didn't copy trade that trade today. I did. Thank fuck. But yeah, you guys. Amazing. Here we are. B banks? Ranking it in B banks or D banks? What website are you using? This is called Bullinox. New background music. We're all in the new era. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, I turned off monetization on YouTube so I can play music more freely. Stock stabilizing push. Yeah, we'll see. Took my first trade today and was a win. Beautiful, Nikki. Very good. Not many, if any. Fuck, I hope you guys didn't hear that. Flex. Definitely not a flex, Pez. But yeah, you guys know the name of the game. It's just let's show up and see if our setup arises. If it doesn't, we don't have to trade. You guys do remember like that, like it's kind of in human psychology, because we sit down in front of the charts. It's kind of like embedded in us. Oh, I'm here to do a thing. I can't like leave the chart without doing the thing. Otherwise I sat here for 2 hours for no reason. All right, that's a trap. All you're doing is coming down and waiting to see if the market presents something to you. Like, hey bro, here's the thing that you might like. If it doesn't do that, then you just turn it off and say, I'll see you tomorrow. Just because you sit in front of the chart does not mean you have to take a trade. Show us where you took the Asia trade. Yeah, for sure. Well, I would have taken this play here. I think Perry, you caught that. I called this one out in the mentorship. This break above here, retest, push. Perry caught that. I caught this breakout here. Right here. It had no top wick, but I was confident in the volume. Wick down, push up. Looks like a small range, but it was a big trade. Maybe it wasn't that. Pretty sure it was that. Maybe I held it. I might have held it past this. Yeah, I think I held it past this candle and it pushed up aggressively. I remember there was a hectic push. Bro, that's probably because I'm switching between Forex and futures. How many likes? 29 likes and there's 200 people here. Mom, yay, no one likes me. I'm just a loser. I'm just a loser. I should have listened to my ex-girlfriend. She was right. God damn it. If you change the time frame, there's an order block. Fucking order block. Sergeant, there's an order block, Sergeant. I repeat, there is an order block on the 5-minute time frame. Yeah, I don't really look at that stuff, bro. Sorry. 3rd week past phase 1. Beautiful. Awesome notification. When do you buy and when do you sell on the market, the trade market? Brother, it's... I don't even know how to answer that, my bro. What up, Pharaoh? Hourly closure as well. Yeah, that's right, Perry. Yep. I caught it. Forgot to turn the trade copy on. Oh, still a win the other way. Yes, that's right. Carolina, good to see you. Good to see you. Yeah, I'm bringing back... I'm doing TikTok stream, the old school, like bringing it back for a minute, see how I go. Yesterday market messed me up bad. Hopefully you learned from it, my friend. Hopefully you took notes and you know what to do tomorrow. No, I'm not 1-2 beat. I'm a future one. You've got 24 now, 24 likes. 30, 50. Alhamdulillah. 50 likes. Yes. Make sure you guys smash that subscribe button. And before you leave, fucking turn on the notification button. How much money do you think you need to start trading? None. 0. You need to start by learning. Do you trade liquidity sweeps? No. I don't know where it'll reach. Oof, that's pain. Yeah. Bro, I gave you a like because you're such a loser. Thank you, bro. That validates me. I get external validation through likes. What up, Spartan? Good stuff, Nate. Smart, good discipline, my friend. See that, you guys? Nate over here said he's up 2 trades for the day and now he's locked himself out. He's done for the day. No need to give back profits, like potentially. Like if you're up for the day after 2 good trades, you're him, bro. Do you know how hard it's a good day if you can even finish the day break even, let alone with a win? You're him, bro. Seaweed Nation. Yeah. I don't know what that means, but I fuck with it. I don't know what that means, but I fuck with it. Yeah, sorry, Carleen. I'm trying. All day smile? I don't know, but you should just have a neutral mindset. Sounds like you're too eager for buys and that'll get you in trouble. Would you advise me to trade on my personal X amount or on a X funded? Funded, my brother, 100%, because you will lose that money. "15 minutes support and resistance." I brought break heart. Had raw wiener, raw bread dough, and raw noodles for dinner today. Nice. Keep it raw on all freaking fronts. How can I learn from you, bro? Do you have a page? Yeah, I have a website. There's a link in my bio. You'll see the links, my website and all that kind of shit. Yeah, I get bioed up in my bio. Patience, you guys. Patience is what gives us the ability to pull money out of thin air. I've already made 1,150 Australian dollars today out of thin air. I didn't have to sell a product or a service. Didn't have an employer, I just pressed a button. And the only way I was able to do that was just by being patient. So I'm going to try and do it again. I'm going to try and be patient again for this session. What up, Layla? What's your best strategy? Just price action. Have you had success with Bullinox withdrawal? I'm gonna request my first withdrawal on Friday. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna request, because apparently you need three withdrawals before you can withdraw a maximum amount. So I'm gonna take 3 of the smallest withdrawals I can, and then I'm gonna try and get a fat one. I'm liking that this is breaking to the upside at least. Just had my highest win as a loner trader. Nice. But it was on demo. Yep. Good, bro. Just remember the and I'm not trying to break your heart here, but remember the goal of demo is, don't worry about the dollar amount, because you obviously could put on $1 trillion trade and it wouldn't matter. Just try to execute consistency. Like, how often can I get my thing to hit my take profit instead of my stop loss with this given strategy? To this day. You're not using Top Step right now. I'm using Bullinox. I just got a Top Step account that I'm pretty close to passing over here that I'm gonna start going heavy. I only got this account because they have less rules. So when I get funded with this, I'm probably gonna go real heavy with it and just be like high risk, high reward. But we'll see. Because you can't really do that with Bullinox. I studied, bro. I studied, bro. Connect. Connect. It says join the waitlist. That's right, my friend. Yep. So if you want to join the waitlist, study, bro. How'd you create them lines? You need to just keep learning trading. Don't worry about the lines, my brother. Keep learning, my friend. Keep learning, my bro. So look at this. Forex kind of didn't really do much. Futures had a nice little break. Yeah, I'm a price action boy. I'm a price boy action. Price action boy. What does Forex 4-hour candle look like? Oh, wow. came down a lot this 4 hour. So did that one though. Can you explain this trade? Just have an area of resistance and support and essentially waiting for a candle to break out of one of those key areas and kind of retest and then look at taking an entry. I can't buy this. I need it to, it's still just within the fucking opening candle. If this wicks down again and then flips up, I'll take a position. But yeah, you guys know the drill. I could miss this trade. Yeah, I needed a bit more than that. It was just on that 1 minute mark as well. It was only a 15-minute closure as well. There must be a retest. Yeah, I'd like a bit more of a retest than that. And at least, like, it just happened too quick. I don't like to take a trade within the first minute of an opening candle. And it kind of started to push, like, just at that minute point. I'm like, yeah, I don't know. So we'll see. Do you recommend MetaTrader 5? Yeah, bro. Sure. Yeah, these are futures accounts. Did you already execute? No, not yet. I kind of wanted a bit more of a bottom wick. Yeah, I'm in Brisbane. I wanted a bit more of a bottom wick and it kind of left really quick. Preaching, how long you been trading, bro? RSI says up. 3 months. That's your issue, my brother. You should not be investing that early. You should be learning. You shouldn't even be on a chart at all. You should spend the first 3 to 6 months learning, my bro. And I'm only saying that because I want to help you. And then from there, you go to a demo account, which is fake money. And then from there, a cheap funded account. All right. This shit's like, people don't take trading serious because you can, in theory, press a button and potentially make money, right? But this shit is serious. Like, it's real shit. See why I got my rules, you guys? I'm doing neither of those, Andre. That word is far from what I'm doing, my friend. Find out the hard way. You're all right, man. You can do it, bro. Just now it's time to lock in. Now it's time to lock in. Lock in and learning, I mean, not lock in on the charts. What's your strategy? You're my strategy. Your love is my medicine. My strategy is price action. Who is this study bro connect guy? What, bro? I'll tell you who it is if I'm at 100 likes. 69. Hi. I see what you guys did there. I studied, bro. But do you see how my rules keep me safe here, you guys? And these rules don't come out of nowhere. They come from time in the charts and just seeing things play out over and over again. And then you just go, hey man, I can't do this. You were right about the retest with patience. Yeah. And that's, you just see things so many times that you have to stick to rules. And don't, trust me, man, the market will try to suck you into some shit. The market will try to suck you right off into some shit. And you got to go, no. Like, that's where discipline comes in. And that discipline can only be executed well if you can execute that discipline in other areas of life. You know, you can't just come to the market and think that you're going to be this epic disciplined trader when in real life, you're a fucking loser. Right? Oh, wow. Look at this push. And when I say a loser, I don't mean like, I guess I do mean a loser. I'm only saying it from experience. I've been a loser many times and for a long time in my life. I mean, for me, a loser is somebody that just is undisciplined, constantly lies to himself, breaks his own promises. I make good money. I'm just getting stopped. You're not making good money, bro. You're in the game for 3 months and you've just lost a tremendous amount of money. You need to get back to the drawing board, my bro, or you're gonna keep getting humbled. You got to drop the ego. The number one thing I see with failing traders is this ego. You refuse to believe that this is something that needs to take a lot of time to learn and get good at. I'm a loser right now, working on it though. Beautiful. Yep. That was me too. That was 100% me too. I have the same strategy, bro. I didn't wait for the candle to... Oh, yeah. Damn, I like that criticism. Bro, it's... Yeah, it's... I'm again, preach. I'm saying this because I'm trying to help you. If, like, think about it. I have no interest in just roasting you for no reason. I'm actually trying to help you. And the best thing you could do right now is don't put another cent into the market and study, bro. All right? You need to study, bro. Right, this is exactly what you need to do. This is exactly what you need to do.
That I want to get into the room with, I know as much as I can about them. Like I'll go up and be like, yo bro, how did and I'll drop something that he did last week. How was it? Oh shit, this guy's paying attention. Example, Tristan pulled up a video, his favorite whiskey, Johnny Walker. What do I do at duty free? Fucking Johnny Walker. That night, sipping the fucking Johnny Walker in the war room by myself with him, chilling. Why? I studied, bro. I knew what he liked. Dude, every guy that I want to get into the room with, I know as much.
Coming around here. He studied, bro. All right, and you guys need to start studying, bro. So, I knew I saw your video. How can I study? The internet! So let's put this level up here now. I studied, bro. So why does he say it's so zesty? Or am I interpreting it as zestical, zestified? Am I putting my own zesty twist on it? I'm the same. I learn more from doing the thing inevitably makes. Ariel, I seen your message before about taking a signal in the Discord. Guess you learned the hard way, right? So, and I get that's hard. That's why you guys, if anyone's calling out, you guys that are in the Discord, if anyone's calling out calls on trades that they're taking or saying words like it's going up, it's going down, I'm entering because it's doing this, don't listen to them. If anything, like, you know who's the unprofitable trader. Only unprofitable traders say this is going to happen. Profitable traders know that it's random and they say, you know, if this happens, there might be a probability of the next thing happening. They'll never say, like, you know what I mean? Wants to lose. I think the biggest challenge is not let carried by the dopamines when you make a good trade. Yeah, and that comes with time. I feel nothing anymore about big trades. It happens quick, man. You can go from making nothing to like making decent money and just feel nothing, which is good. Do you believe in Forex being more manipulated than futures? No, I don't believe in any of that shit. In the war room, sipping Johnny Walker. Steady, bro. Can you please explain why you didn't enter the buy? Yeah, because you know, we had the breakout range there. We broke out, but one of my rules is I can't enter within the first minute of the new opening candle. And secondly, I need a wick down. So when it breaks out, I need it to wick down, retest, and then flip. It gave a wick, but only a small one. And then at that 1 minute point, it started to lift off. So I was like, nah, I can't do it. You know, there is a time and a place. If it was like a very clear breakout in the 30, the 1 hour, and the fucking 15 altogether, oh, maybe I can be a bit more aggressive here. But when it's just a 15 minute, and nah. I studied as well. Did you, bro? Studied? I did. It's okay. Good. Master and we're students, sir. No, I'm not the master. I'm a student as well. Look at analysis in Discord. Okay, let's have a look at the analysis on the Discord. If anyone's got some analo, chuck it in the Dissy over here. Yeah, throw it in the analysis section. I'll have a look. What if I enter a trade without a stop loss? Won't you still be in? Yeah, you'll be in until all your money's gone. Nice, Ariel. Yep. Did you study? I studied, bro. Bitcoin at an hour resistance. Really? Let's look at Biddy. Netcoin. Yeah. Fuck that. So we're still in this kind of consolidation range here, you guys. What's the 30 look like? Yep. I'm going to futures today. I've been on memes for the last 6 months. Wow. Wish me luck. No. You needed the luck when you were playing with memes and shit like that. Welcome to the big leagues. Welcome to the big leagues. Started watching your live videos yesterday and grew my dollar to $20. Wow. Damn. That's funny. What time frame? You can see it there on the screen, my dude. Where was the earthquake elite? India, I would suggest The Best Loser Wins by Tom Hugard. And then just actual personal psychology books. I don't know, Chappie. It's really weird. I'm not a part of that conglomerate. Look, man, there's so many, brother. There's like thousands of different ones. You can just pick any. Have you ever traded Forex? Yeah, I traded Forex for 2 years, 2 and a bit years. I need to learn about this. Start studying, bro. Study, bro. Oh, wow. Asia. Why are people up at 3:30 a.m.? Do you just assume that it's 3:30 a.m. everywhere in the world where you are? Just because it's 3:30 where you are, it must be 3:30 in Australia, in fucking Puerto Rico. Like, do you not know how the fucking world works? I'm not trying to roast you, but people say that all the time. Like, do you not know how the world works? It's a circle. The sun here, the sun goes around and it takes 24 hours for that to happen. People are under the earth. You're probably up here. Nighttime, daytime. Orokososhi. Alright? You're gonna make me start busting out my fucking Japanese. We need to do Earth freaking anatomy. You need to study, bro. The Earth is a plate. Oh, god damn it, that's right. You need to study, bro. Do you recommend TJR? I have no idea, brother. You love that book? Nice. Roast him. Study, bro. Jump scare. Oh, sorry. Yeah, I gotta put the mic away a bit more. My face, maybe. TJR. Average American. Is pocket option legit? I have no idea what that is. Are you a funded trader? Yes. Wow. Bro. Earth is flat. Why is your background changed? Why is your... My background hasn't changed. Yeah, it's still pretty bright. It'll get dark in a sec. It looks way brighter than what it actually is. Where'd you learn? Studied. Just YouTube, Google, and then bought courses and shit. It's bright because it's 3:30. To be accurate, the Earth goes around the sun. Ah, yes. What did I say? Did I say the sun goes around the Earth? Actually, to be extra accurate, they kind of both go in it because the whole solar system moves together. So they kind of rotate all together. People think it's like there and it's like a plate, but it's not. It's actually going sideways, like all intertwining, moving sideways. Give me a YouTube channel. Yeah, my YouTube channel is the same as my TikTok name. You can see the full chart. You can see my account and everything there. You guys on TikTok, if you want to come over to YouTube, live on YouTube right now. What do you mean by break closure? I just mean they can't wait for the candle to actually close. So right now I'm setting the 15-minute time frame. Each candle represents 15 minutes. Thank you for the gifts over there, Jeffrey. DJ on the gifts. Thank you, brother. Oh, fuck. Which time frame? Which time frame is this? No, don't go down, gold. Don't go down, bro. It does look good on Forex, though. It won't. Hey, bro, you don't know what it's gonna do. Start firing on all cylinders. I just went on a rant about if anyone says this will happen or this won't happen, then they should be sent out into the wilderness and left to fend for themselves as a rite of passage and come back with a different, don't predict, react exactly. You should study. You should study, bro. Where are you from? Brisbane, Australia. Oh wow, the bridge is nice and zesty and purple. Only God knows what it's going to do exactly. Yep. Elite Trader, I love how you write in fucking capitals and then put 4,000 question marks. Please put more. Dan, the Blyers got blown out twice, so it's most likely going down. This is just the way I think. Yeah, I don't know about any of that. I just trade. What's this whole treasure box shit? $30 people. Yeah, I don't know what you sent me there. That treasure box. Do you have any trades open or no? I don't know what I'm cheering for here. No, there's no cheering. Even if a trade is open, it's not like it's just your job. It's like if you're at a job working in a factory, would you cheer when you had to put a box away successfully or not? It's just the job, man. Don't get too emotional about it. Don't. Just chill. Buyers backs are blown out. Hey, you guys, do we have 100 likes over here or nah? Oh, 96 likes, guys. Can you please get me to 100? Please. Gulp. I'm in Australia. How can I locate your office for mentorship, bro? I don't know, bro. I don't know anything. Oh, wow. Cool. I guess the next range is kind of here. Yeah, we've got some decent range under that at least. Where you could also potentially look at a bounce off. We'll see. We'll see. We'll have to wait and see. Do you sell course, bro? Yeah, all my links in my bio. You'll see all my shits. I've got a wait list for my course at the moment when I relaunch it in April. So if you want to jump on the wait list, and the guys that jump on the wait list, like if you go to my website, it's called danielholmestrades.com, the same name as my TikTok name. And look, this is what you'll see straight away. Coming April, join the waitlist. And you click here. Once you click there, it simply just says name and email. And this is only put your name and email there if you're actually interested in the mentorship. If you're just kicking tires, it's like a waste of your time, bro. It's a waste of everyone's time. But yeah, if those that are actually serious about it, that's what's up, my brothers. Because I get like a lot of people and they leave a comment saying, hey bro, like, give me money and shit. And it's like, bro, what are we doing? Why would you want course money if you're rich? I can't even be bothered answering that right now. I haven't eaten enough food. $100 likes done, really? 111 angel numbers. Does that mean we're going to be profitable? 111. Yep, look. 111 angel number. A sign of new beginnings, positive opportunities, and call to action. What's the call to action? To take a trade? I'll do it. I'll do it. Beautiful. Thank you for the likes, you guys on YouTube. 115. Wow. Okay. Maybe I do amount to something. Oh, fuck. Get some zest traps. Yeah. And they kind of busted up my guts a little bit. Do you read news? Yeah, just to stay out of it though. I don't think. Oh, I think we do have some sort of news tonight, like late. Yeah, at 12 a.m. my time. So 3 minutes for this candle closure over here. How much do you earn in a month? Damn, bro. I'll be honest. I usually wouldn't talk about money, but I guess I'm trying to flex a little bit. But this last month, like the last 4 weeks, it's been like, put it this way, the last 3 weeks, 13,000 in the last 3 trading weeks. So in 15 days, right now it's 17 days, which is pretty fucking crazy when you think about it. Just for clicking a button. 3 weeks, my dudes. AUD. But I don't think I'll ever talk about money again. I don't know. It feels weird to talk about money. But that's what people like so associate trading with, I guess. So it's just like, yeah, I guess so. Yeah, that's right. This method looks like orb. Don't know about that. Damn, work paying off. Yeah, for sure. And that's the thing I was thinking today. I'm like, man, you could just go from like, obviously I've been trading for like, it's been over 3 years now, but you know, you spend so much time learning and struggling and losing. And then you kind of get to a point where you're like, it just starts to happen. And you're like, all the shit just starts to come together. And it's like, oh, okay. And then you start to get to a point where you're like, I can see how I can really leverage this now. All right. Like I can see how much I could leverage all of this shit so much more with these funded accounts as well. You just got to stick with it, man. Shit will just start clicking. But you have to try to get better, and you have to show up every day with the intent to be better than you were yesterday. You can't have like a week off or fucking, oh, I traded the New York sesh today, but I usually trade the fucking Asia sesh. Like, you got to be very regimented and consistent with trying to get better and fixing the mistakes that you make. How much did you give to the market for tuition fees? Not much. I always traded funded accounts, so you know, it's not like I went in heavy with my own dollar. Hey, you guys on TikTok, if you want to see the full chart, I'm live on YouTube right now. You can see the account. You can see everything over here. One pair, one session, that's right. Yeah, I don't know what I'm waiting for. I'm gonna have to wait to see how this candle closes. I don't know, it's kind of broken out too far now. It's kind of broken out too far now, my dude. That's why I was like, oh, don't break to the downside. Don't be that guy, Mr. Candle. We could keep melting here now, though. Yeah, we could keep melting now. Just want to ask him, I'm up like 500 USD and challenge does my daily loss. You'll have to look into it, bro. Like, look into their website. They have all the rules there. It is encouraging that we can do it too. Don't stop talking about success as it's coming from someone who's genuine. Yeah, man. Like, if you've ever got questions about like feeling like success is something that's unattainable or whatever feelings you're getting, just ask me, man, because I've been through it all, bro. I'm just the same as you guys. Like, I am no different. Don't ever look at me as any different to you guys. Look at this. We've got a breakthrough here. It's just, yeah, what are you going to do? Broke out so far away from that range. Let's see how this candle starts to print here. Moving over to YouTube. Yeah, come over to YouTube, Layla. You'll see it's a whole different setup. It's a different setup. Come on, Zesters. It's because we study, bro. funded, Tony. Do you ever use macro time? Use macro times when you trade? I don't know what macro times are, bro. Will you buy soon? I don't know, but it's telling me that when it's moving down, you're wanting to buy. People stop screaming, yeah. I like Roger and your strat, but it took too long. Found one that worked better for me. Call that sell it. I didn't miss the sell if it's not in accordance to my strategy, my friend. How much profit do you get on your funded per month? I don't know. The last 3 weeks, I'm up 13k on a couple 100kers in the last 17 trading days. It could be more as well, but I only introduced copy trading in 6 days ago. So most of it's on this main account. Just subscribe to your channel. Oh, beautiful. Yeah, you guys on TikTok, on YouTube. Make sure you drop a subscribe and a like for the stream, my brothers. Live every day over here. Look at this, 120 likes. And there's only 323 people here. And only one of you have liked it. Me so sad. Nah, that's it. I'm calling my girlfriend. I'm calling my ex. Yeah, you were right. I'm a loser. They won't like the stream. Is Maven trusted? I'm not sure, but their owner reached out to me a while ago and gave me a prop account. And I traded it, and then I can't remember what happened. Trade missed. My friend took an impulse entry. No! Fuck! I missed it! Investor underscore MFX. Friend took an impulse position. Shit. Subscribed. Oh, thank you, Layla. Good to see you here from TikTok. Yeah. How do you set up a copy trader? Oh, there's just a little thing in the settings says copy trading. Oh, you came over from TikTok? Nice. That's right. That's right, my friend. Oh, damn it. Sorry, Izzy. I really got to figure out how to make it so no matter how schizo I go, that the volume doesn't blow ears out. I don't know how to do that. How much is your mentorship going to be in April? $47,000 per week. That's all. Nah, not much. Not much, Beza. Not much. How's copy trading work, bro? Yeah, you just, if you've got multiple funded accounts, you just connect them, and then if I take a trade on this account, it automatically triggers in on the other account. What are you looking for? I don't know just yet. I'm going to need this candle to develop a little bit more to get a clearer picture. What up, meat? 47,000 per week. Yeah. Yeah, is that all right? Can you afford that, Jacinta? Yeah, who are you copying though with the copy trader? Myself! No, you guys. If you've got multiple accounts, you guys, what copy trading is, it's like if you want to execute one trade on one account, but it automatically get triggered on multiple of them, then you use a copy trader. That's why, can you see on my account up here where it says leader, the blue word up here that says leader? It's saying leader because it's linked to another account, which is called the follower account. You guys on TikTok, you can't see. If you come over to YouTube, you guys on TikTok, same name as my Instagram, my TikTok name, Daniel Holmes Trades. I'm live on YouTube right now. You'll see my account, it says leader because it's linked to another 100K account, which is the follower. Leader follows the follower follow the leader. OCD. Oh, 142 likes. Yay, mummy. You just need to prod him for more of a pay rise than that. 47k a day pay rise. Yeah, just still waiting over here, CJ. Copy train has a drawdown whether entries, exits, depends on the server. Like I've had issues like that sort of in the past. But I've never, it's always identical for me. With Bolinox or Top Step, it's identical. I'm using Bolinox. Oh, Big Matt, what up, my dude? With copy trades, do all of the accounts have to be with the same prop firm? No, there are services that you can do with different prop firms, but they're usually like a monthly fee. But with something like Bolinox or Top Step, they have it inbuilt if you want to use just multiple of their accounts. Yeah, gold is doing historical things, that's right. But how do you know if it's going to be green? Is trading just an educated guess? Yep, that's basically a good way to describe it. It's an educated guess. Yep, you don't know if it's going to be green. But you take an educated guess, and if you can spend the right amount of time and effort on yourself and learning the game, you can typically take an educated guess with a repeatable outcome over 100 trades, 1,000 trades, right? You can tilt the odds in your favor. Just like the casinos do that against us. If you're smart about this, you can do the same, but in your favor. It's going to take a long time. Anyone got any analysis over here? Drop it in the analysis section. Look at this. Mitch has dropped some analysis. Oh, this was earlier. Yeah, beautiful, Mitch. Yep, very nice. I'll give you guys a link to this if anyone's in the YouTube chat that wants a link to this Discord. I just threw it there in the YouTube chat, you guys. How many likes? 145. Come on, man. Give me some validation. Why Bolinox? I don't know. It's just cheap. I like their platform. I like this platform. It's the same platform as Top Step. And it's all good. Yes, gold has been doing historical things to this day. You see any supports in the higher time frame in the left? Or is it just seen? I'm not sure what you mean, bro. Right. Alternatively, if this kind of comes up here and then take a bounce off type 2 around here. Bolinox cheaper than Top Step? With the right discount codes, yes. I don't think Top Step have discount codes. I'm back on the Zest strap. Have you got payout with Bulldogs? No, I'm going to do it. My first one this Friday. Apparently you have to do 3 small ones before you can do it all your account. I wanted to do like a fat 13K withdrawal, but you can't. You have to have 3 small ones, which is why I just got this Top Step account, because they don't really have rules like that. I can get you a sponsorship deal with the trading platform if you don't already have one. I work with Mark and Puzza. Brother, I'm not even joking, probably 5 messages a day from prop firms and brokers. It's not worth it for me. I'm done with like that kind of shit. Because it's all learning for me as well. Like having certain social medias pop off a little bit, getting all these people reach out. It's not until you like deal with it firsthand that you realize it's probably not what you want. No, I don't trade New York. So this 30 is about to close. And 1 hour. There's nothing here just yet. There's absolutely nothing here just yet. Uncondones, you need to do more research, my brother. Yep, no New York at all. What car you drive, Daniel? Not a good one. Nothing special, I mean. Daniel, why not enter shorts below the last low? Because it moved down too far for me to take a trade there. There was no area for my stop loss. It was too far away from this kind of support zone. Like if it broke out there below that range, I'd be happy, but it shot all the way down. Too far away from the range that I was interested in. What's the reason not behind trading New York? Just because more exposure to the market doesn't mean more money, right? Less is more. I found the most success in my trading when I stripped back sessions, stripped back strategy, and just kept it real simple. So you got to pick a side, my dudes. You can't master the market by just coming in and be like, I can just conquer this shit. I'll just come in and do every session. It's like, no, you need to just get really good at doing one thing at one time with one set of restrictions. Business development manager for a gas company, Tony. Fear value gape are confusing me. Fear value gape. Sounds like a pretty relevant fucking way to describe it. It's a fear value gape. Yeah, I'm not surprised that's confusing you, bro. Peace, bro. Do you believe that if we consistent with our setup, we can be successful? Yes, but the biggest thing that's going to determine your ability to find success is just your ability to be real with yourself. And making sure whatever mistakes you make on the market today, that you learn from them tomorrow. Because a lot of people make dumb mistakes today and then they just do the same dumb things tomorrow. Like if you just keep tweaking it, and the only way to tweak it is your level of self-development within yourself has to upgrade. You have to get a high level of self-awareness and be real with yourself. It's like in real life. Are you real with yourself about the dumb shit that you do? Like, do you smoke? Do you drink excessively? Do you hang out shit with people? Do you do other bad behaviors? All that shit's going to translate to the charts. You'll never find success in the charts until you clear up your day-to-day life. Like you have to get super crystal clear with your life. You have to drop all the vices. You have to be hyper dedicated. Just all that generic shit that you probably hear online. It's generic because it's true. Fear value gape. I want to get rich, bro. That's all. You won't get rich trading with that mindset. It's a good motivator initially, but you'll realize really quick that you need to look at this as a skill, and all you can do is try to get better at this skill, knowing that money's a byproduct of that. I don't know what confirmation yet. I'm still waiting. What up, Big Zest, Glenn? Would you consider in-person mentoring? Yeah, but it would be too expensive and no one would probably do it. That's why I do one-on-ones over Zoom. So on my website, I do one-on-one over a Zoom call. We could spend an hour together and really like work on what needs to be worked on. So if you go to danielholmestrades.com, my website, you can see the wait list for the mentorship. But if you scroll down a little bit, you'll see here one-on-one coaching. You can book in a session. Have you considered changing your red candles such as white? No, it doesn't. I'm not a pussy. I'm a hard dude. Can your trading strategies work on meme coins? I don't know enough about meme coins, but I would say probably not. All I see on meme, yeah, I don't know nothing about meme coins. Danny, how long is your trading window? Not long at all. 2 hours-ish. Thank you, Tucker. I sent you 10K you asked for on Discord, but you won't respond anymore. Why? I don't know anything, bro, about fair value ups. Yeah, that's what I thought, Jim. Well, that's what I know, I'll say. How long will it take for the waitlist to get approved? I'll be going through them over the next couple of days. Everyone that's getting through on the waitlist, you'll hear from me. You'll hear from me in the next couple of days. You're gonna get so rich, bro, from this course. Good on you, man. No, it's probably not what you think, brother. If you're interested, if you really want to consider real money, it's sitting here on the chart, pressing a button and making ridiculous money. That's where the real money's at. Seriously, something I need to work on is cutting out time with people who have no ambition. Yeah. You know all the generic shit, how it's like, you gotta go monk mode and all that shit? I didn't realize until I started finding success in trading. It was like, oh my God, I do nothing. I have no people around me. Because, you know, you can think, oh, I've got to cut shitty people out. But who are the cool people that I can hang out with? Yourself. Like, you just need yourself to lock in type shit. I just have me and you guys, really. I've got a big community in the Discord and stuff like that. And this is why I always say this is the best part of my day, because I get to hang out with people that are passionate about the same thing I'm passionate about. It's like we're all crushing it type beat. Like, we're all into the same shit. So if you got shitty people around, like you don't need to replace them. You can just be with you, lock in, and then be with the, you know, the community and the charts. Get that fear value gape. Monk mode is crazy. But it is true. Like at some point, if you really want to get that extravagant or that extraordinary life, because it's not an ordinary life, it's an extraordinary life. Like for me to sit here today and click a couple buttons on screen and make 1,120, potentially about to do it again. Did it the same thing yesterday and the day before and the day before and the day before. That's called an extraordinary life, really. Right? People usually get up at 6 a.m. Beep, beep, beep. Oh, fuck. Okay. Get up, brush your teeth, have a shower. Go to work for an entire day for 5 days. Do that for 5 days. I pressed a button and did that in 2 minutes. So that's called extraordinary. In order to get to that point, you're going to have to be an extraordinary person with your discipline, with your lifestyle, with your mindset. None of this is possible without that particular mindset. You need to start absorbing the right shit. That's why man, trading made me like cut a lot of vices. It made me semi-religious. It made me start reading books. What the fuck? I never read books. I'm a 34-year-old person. I start reading books. Like it makes you just study, bro. Like you just level up in all aspects. But people think, oh man, I'll just keep living the same lifestyle and then have a different outcome. It's like, it just doesn't work, man. And I'm just speaking from experience. Like it's just what worked for me. And people like roll their eyes or think it's cringe, but all that generic shit that you hear, it's generic because it's real. Because it's been said so much, because it's the shit that matters the most. You will, Shibby, you will very soon, in the next couple of days. That's right, Ariel. And study, bro. People don't realize how many of those people around them can ruin their ambition and overall mentality. Yeah, you hear all the saying. You are like the 5th person of the 5 people around you that you're closest with. People don't like to admit that. If I say to you guys right now, you're exactly like think of your best friend and then your second best friend. Think of them right now. I look at you exactly the same way you look at them. Like I consider you just like them. Do you like that or do you not like that? If I said you're just the same person as your best friend, does that make you feel good? Like, oh fuck yeah, that's sick. Or does it make you feel like, oh really? Like, nah, I'm not. I'm better. I got more ambition. I'm this and that. Well, you don't. If you did, you wouldn't. You know what I mean? I don't need to go into it, but trust me, bro. Study, bro. You need to connect. Faxman trading because Faxman and trading because you to really take a deep look in yourself and force you to improve in order to succeed. Yeah, 100%. Yep. Such a good way to view it. Holy shit. Yeah, man. 34 bro is officially Unk. Yes, legit. You are who you hang out with. Yep. Hence why I'm a lone wolf. It's good to be a lone wolf. I quit drinking 6 months ago, and after 15 years of heavy drinking, go back to the gym, eating healthy. Yep. My best friend keeps inviting me for parties every Friday, but I choose to backtest instead. Yep. You guys, I'm crushing on these charts, and I still backtest like every weekend. Like, because I say this all the time. What the shit that you do today doesn't matter tomorrow. You have to redo those habits tomorrow. It's a daily habitual thing. Like it's not, oh, I put in the work today, so I'll get the results tomorrow. Nope. It's a daily action. Yeah, people always ask for signals. Chill in the war room, study, bro. Yeah, we got new music. I turned off monetization. Monetization on YouTube equated to about 500 a month. And I was like, that's pretty good. I guess I could buy a challenge or something with that money. But then I was like, but I'm sick of the fucking shit music and just getting flagged whenever I try and use good music. So I've done it for you guys. I'm losing out on 500, but we get no ads, and you get no ads and music type shit. Yeah, thanks MC. What MC said there, we got that free Discord, you guys. I'll throw it in here again. You guys on YouTube, the Discord's linked there. I'm actually going to pin it in the chat as well. Hey, you guys on TikTok, if you come over to YouTube, it's the same name as my TikTok name, Daniel Holmes Trades. You'll see all the hectic shit. Full chart, full account. What up, Gav? Doing amazing. You're real as fuck. Thank you for the no ads. Oh, you're real as fuck for that. Yeah. No ads. Yeah. I can still hear the old music in my head. Yeah, so can I. How long have you been streaming live, bros? About 7 months. It's coming up to 7 months. Thank fuck this is moving back up. Man, I really need to get a battery thing for my camera because I know it's going to die soon. Your advice has been top, man. You're changing my life on God. I appreciate you, man. I would never speak on anything that I haven't been through. So when I talk about the struggles as a trader, I'm that guy, man. I've been there for years, struggling, watching other traders, watching live streamers, watching guys on podcasts, and just being like, nearly in tears, like, man, I want this so bad, like, but I keep failing at it. I keep blowing accounts. I keep just doing dumb shit. And then I just kept showing up, kept getting better, and, you know, really finding that success. So I know the struggle, man. I know the pain that you guys feel at times. Trust me, bro. I've been there. Yeah, they do. And I've been going through this the last couple of years. Yeah, man, the trading will fucking test you, but I'll say it again. The biggest thing that improved my trading was I had to improve myself as an individual. That's it. And it sounds like hoo-ha-y, like, oh yeah, sure. But I'm telling you, man, wouldn't say it for no reason. So I've got a minute over here. Is this a, no, it's a 15 closure. Just over 3 mess. Don't eat again if the camera dies. Oh, look at Dan. This is my 21st year of construction laboring. I'm only 35, left school at 14. But after listening to you, I have to level up now after listening to you. Cheers for the words though, mate. Awesome, Dan. Yep. Dan, that's the thing, man. Like, fuck, man. You can actually, like, you can change that shit, man. Like, you can actually change your outcome. You can actually change your outcome. No, this isn't Peppers. This is M&A Apartments. I would call it a day, Aaron. I would call it a day, as dog. All right, so we've moved up here, closes no top wick and edge just at this top level of resistance here. We've edged just this top level of resistance here. Pull out the zoom tool. Yeah, let's have a look at, let's see if we can bring up the drawing tool. FX, I'm using OBS. Goodwin, there's so much shit on YouTube for that, and like just Google and stuff. Like trust me, you'll see a lot of really good content that will help you with that. Well, I'm 34, basic. I'm 34 and I came across trading at 30 or maybe 29. So to a lot of guys, that's like, wow, that's a late start, right? But I was at a point in life where, man, I was willing to do whatever it takes to ensure that I get to a place financially that I know I have to be. I would not settle down with a partner, kids, anything until I get myself. I would literally rather death than settle down without finding financial success. Like I couldn't do it, bro. So I locked in. I hit a real low point. I said, man, this might be my last chance to ever make this shit happen. And I came across trading. I said, this is it. This is my gateway right here. This is my fucking opportunity. I just know it is. It's like God put his hand on my shoulder and said, here you go, motherfucker. This is what I've been trying to show you. But you've been too dumb doing this and that. Because I've always tried to pursue something. I've always started little businesses. I've already done this, tried to pursue something to get financial freedom, essentially. Nothing's ever really worked. But it's also been me. Looking back now, it was me. I was the issue. And then I hit that point. I was like, man, this, Daniel, motherfucker, this literally might be your last chance to make this shit happen. You got to lock in. And I did. And there was a point there where I kind of let it slip away. You know, I stopped looking at the charts so much. I was working. I got like a new job to try and get some income. But and then I fucked my back and I had 2 back operations. I was sitting at home and I had nothing to do. I was on a lot of pain meds and I just started locking back in. I was like, bro, you motherfucker, you let this shit slip away. And that was a couple months after that is where I started streaming and just started really locking back in. Time to get a kid. Oh, legit. Oh, look at this. Was off for a year, had a heart attack, should have been studying then. Yeah, as long as you're back at it though. This is the thing. This is a good thing about me knowing like faith with you guys is I see you guys in the chat every day. I know that you guys are just as dedicated as I am. Like you show up. Just showing up every day is a massive part of it, man. Don't let it slip away. Don't let it slip away, man. This is so relatable. Wow, I feel you. I felt the same way. I'm in my 60s. Yep. Yep. And the epic thing is, congratulations. God has pointed you in the direction. Here is an opportunity. Here is a tool. It's called trading. This thing where you can pull money out of air. What the fuck? Why didn't they tell me about this shit in school? Why did I have to wait so long? Right? For a particular personality type, this is perfect. And I'm that personality type. What's the personality type I'm talking about? A lunatic. You have to be a crazy person to some regard. You can't be brought up in a very well put together family and I had a great upbringing and I'm just, you know, like you got to be a bit crazy because trading's too hard for a normal person to be like, yeah, I'm going to go through this. No, unfortunately. God grabbed me on the shoulder, pointed me to the charts and said, can Nice, Ash. Same here. Psychotic, yep. If this candle closes like this and the next one can break out, I'm fucking all over it. I have a technical question about seeing day trading bull. I don't know. Don't worry about bull flags. I don't worry about any of that shit. Mars, they're worth it if you're a consistent trader already. Do you have a YouTube channel? Yep, I'm live on YouTube right now where you can see the full account. It's the same name as my TikTok name. Yeah, Perry. I'm also crazy that this could actually work out. When I say crazy, I mean like a normal person isn't going, because here's the thing, you can go through a lot of difficulty with trading and there's no guaranteed outcome. But that's like any business you take. Like if you decide to start a coffee shop, it's going to be extremely difficult and there's no guaranteed outcome. Trading's the same way, right? But trading's a little bit different, right? It's a little bit different because it's just you. Where a coffee shop, you can kind of see like, oh yeah, I'm not getting many customers because it's a shit area. Maybe I need to hire some more staff. Where trading is just you on a screen, right? And the thing is, at some point when you got a decent strategy and you're still losing, that's just a you and you issue then. And most people don't have the self-awareness, or their ego isn't dissolved enough to the point where they can look in the mirror metaphorically and say, I'm the reason I'm failing at trading, and fix that shit. I'm 31 down and started trading last year. I've lost a lot of money now. I'm looking to do or die moment because it's plan B for me. Hey brother, Kelvin, this exact situation I was in. Here we go, man. Here we go. You're here, bro. Why don't teachers at school? Yeah. I like best loser wins, opening up about the charts, saying you're back. You brought the veins. Yeah, Munzie. It's a hell of a journey, but if you lock in and you can go through it, like that can be obviously a really good reward, right? I like this. I'm still 19. I'm gonna look for a job first and save money for this shit soon. Yep. I wouldn't say save money, but you should just be learning. Don't worry about any money. Don't worry about any real trading. Just learn. Hey bro, do you know trading pool? No, I don't. I'm 16 years old and I went through every difficulty. Fuck. Sorry, I don't mean to laugh, but brother, you've seen nothing, my friend. Danny should be your first option. $300 people watching is crazy. Yeah, and there's nearly 400 on TikTok. He's an extremely popular trader living in the Gold Coast. You should connect. Connect, bro. Are you in, bro? Dude, I'm teaching my 9-year-old son trading on my... Oh, beautiful. Awesome, Elite. That's pretty sick. Yeah, interesting kind of price action here in the London sesh. I'm still willing to be patient over here for a little bit. I don't mind the range we're in. We've got decent range to the bottom end and the top end for a decent trade. If my camera dies, I'm gonna have to hook up my... If my camera dies, I'm gonna have to hook up my phone again and go old school. But I would have all you guys on TikTok, you'd have to come over to the YouTube live stream because I would have to close the TikTok stream. That's right, Ariel. You guys know about your bad habits and your vices, Zach. And this is what I say to traders all the time when they say, oh, I'm losing, but I don't know why. I'm like, yeah, you do. You know exactly why you're losing. You're revenge trading, you're over trading, whatever it is, you know what it is. You can't lie to me, but you can't lie to yourself, but you can lie to me. And it's the same with your personal life. You know exactly your vices and your bad habits that you need to stop. Are you going to do it though? Because if you can do it, it's going to improve your ability to do it on the charts as well. You can never lie to yourself, exactly. I needed to hear that. It's real, man. Ape Zero, you should be learning, my friend. When's this 4-hour close on Forex? Should be very soon, right? 30 minutes. So you did that, Perry. I see, I see. No, trading is not mentally stimulating. It's mentally stimulating in a certain way, but you're meant to, at some point, the whole goal is to get that mental stimulation to like a neutral state. Trading is not fun. Like, it's not like an exciting thing. You can treat it like that, but that's not professional trading. Professional trading is really boring, essentially. Gold is testing my patience. Yeah, that's why you just wait. Just mark out your areas and just wait to see what you need to see. And also, you have to already be in the mindset that if I don't see what I'm going to see, I'm not trading today. Yep, start doing it, FX. Your advice on bad habit is top. Once I cut down the ZA, I've done more clarity with everything. Yeah. You hear guys like Wes Watson, they say success isn't about what you add in and the things that you improve, but it's about the things that you subtract. And I found that so much in my life. I didn't really change much. All I did was remove the shitty stuff. And it's the same thing I found success in the markets. I didn't add more things in. I didn't add extra indicators and extra fucking sessions. I started removing shit. It's all correlated, man. It's all correlated. This you're a real account, sir. Then I'm learned more from you than I have in the last year on YouTube University. CGI, yeah, it's CGI. How do you split screen like that? It's a software called TikTok Studios. Yeah, Harpreet, I'm just using these lines as key areas that I want to break out of. Did you learn from Raja? Yep. Originally, I learned from Raja. That's so real. I've only recently become profitable since I started watching these streams. Really? Wow, Tucker. Awesome, bro. Lost 100 because of revenge trading. Yep. It'll get you every time, man. Anytime you start to treat the markets without respect, it will bite you right on the schlong. All right? It'll bite you right on the schlong. So you have to treat it with respect. What's this wick? What's the range of this wick? Oh, wow, there's a lot of range there. If this wick's down, I might be interested in a wick fill. Fucking hell, that's a lot of range. Ugly on the 15 though. It's really ugly on the 15. Daniel, check your quote in the psychology tab in the Discord. Psychology tab. Oh wow, look at this. Oh yeah, look at this, you guys, yesterday. This is actually fucking sick. You know, obviously we do have a silly goose time, but this is real, man. Every day you come into the market, you have to say this. If I don't see exactly what I want to see today, I'm not taking a trade. How many times have I even said that today? Because I keep seeing people make this mistake. Why are we forcing anything? You're not here to trade. You're here just to show up and see if the market comes to you. Trading is like filing your nails. Patience is key. You can rush the process, but when you take your time, it would come sharp and ready like anything. God damn it! I guess it's true. I guess I can't hate on it. It's true. I got the evidence. I've got the fucking evidence. That reminds me. Time frames are all there, Dan. So maybe I would want to see something like this, you guys. If this bitch can wick down like this and then start to break its own top wick, I could potentially look at taking a buy there. Based on the 30. Just went on a 7-day lose streak. Oh. Hope you're learning from it, my bro. Evil Dan Holmes. What does that mean? Is that just some scammer one? Got to bow to the markets. I don't want it to bite my schlong. Exactly, bro. I've watched a few live streams. You are by far my favorite. Oh, thank you, Layla. Appreciate you. Live every day. Live. Every day. What's going on with this volume now? Oh, I guess these ranges are pretty big. They don't look big, but they are. I got you, Glenn. I got you, bro. Not long. Hey, you guys on YouTube, make sure you drop a subscribe and a like for the stream, my brothers. Get me to 200. Please, please, please. Alhamdulillah. 200 likes. And smash that subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so you don't miss a fucking Mr. Beast video. Yeah, Layla, you should join the Discord. Mom got to eat lobster. Yeah. Those likes and subscribe on YouTube feed my family. Is this your real account? No. I'm going to put a buy stop here and see what happens. How good's that logic? Bro, I blew my account today. Well, you're going to learn from it, my brother. Do you know what you did wrong? And if you don't, you need to start. How do I start trading? Start from the ground up. Start with Google and start Googling what is trading, what is Forex, what is the market, what is this, what is that. And just do that. Takes too long for Daniel to take trades. Yeah, but Daniel's hyper profitable. You're probably not. Big J. If you go the 5 minute, you can see, yeah, I don't know about any of that. Yeah, ChatGPT is good for learning. Oh, Pixie's back. What up, Pixie?
Order filled.
Oh shit, jump scare. I've been jump scared over here. If this flips red, I might look at taking off 50%. Do you keep a trade, Joe? Yes. If this flips red, I might look at taking off 50%. ICT best teacher? Really? No, I don't know about like the supply and demand shit, to be brutally honest. I don't really know about that stuff. I want to get out of this one relatively quick. How do you close 50%? Well, if I'm in a buy position for 10, I just take off 5. I'm going to break even here. I'm going to break even here. Baby Pips is good. Yeah, Baby Pips is a good place to start, you guys. For sure. How do you remove contracts? Yeah, so if you're in 10 buy positions, just remove, like if you took 10 buys, then you sell 5 or whatever it is. Oh wow, how did you do an emoji in the freaking YouTube chat? I've never seen that, I don't think. Order filled? Nice. What's the most you've lost? Not much. Game. Oh wow.
Order filled.
Shit, the jump scare. I'm not ready for the jump scare. Oh, the emojis just come bowling in. Wow. God damn it. How do you change it to ticks instead of dollars? Just in the settings. Yeah, nice management there. I'm happy with managing that like I did. You know, I got in 10 ticks profit. I could have taken a 10 there, but I yeah, it's going to be best to get out of this range. It's going to be the best to get out of this range here. But good management there. Very good management. Fuck, emojis come flying in. Ever think about streaming on Twitch? No, but I want to stream on Kick. W trade, by the way. Trade management. Yeah, I think that was smart trade management. Even if it does push here, I think the smartest thing to do is to wait for it to get out of this range. Yeah, it's going to be the best. That's why I went BE a bit earlier. And if it was going to break that wick one more time, I was going to just close the position with like 12 pips profit. Honestly, I'm good at trading, but bad with money management when it comes to trading. Then you're not good at trading. That's like the #1 part of trading. Why Kick? I don't know. I did do Twitch for a little bit, but I just wasn't vibing with it. For some reason, I just liked the vibe of Kick. I may re-enter. If this can hang out here like it is now, I may re-enter. I'm good at basketball, but can't dribble. Why would you re-enter? It's just based on the volume and then the pullback and then the bit of support created down here. Dan, check Discord. Bro! Bro, these fucking quote things, all you need to do to make a quote is just put someone's name with that little line, and then it immediately just like, yeah, this is a legit quote. That's so funny. So we've got a minute over here for this candle closure. Gonna need a bit more meat in this body of this candle if I'm gonna look to re-enter. Gonna need a bit more meat. But yeah, pretty whack price action here for London, to be honest. Not the best. Study, bro. Jump on NQ. Yeah, that's a fair conclusion of what the candles mean. Nice, CJ. No, it wouldn't be because of NFP. Just what it is, because we've had such big movements in Asia, maybe. Yeah, that's shit. Good trade management there. Would be stuck in a shitty trade right now if we didn't manage that one. We as in me. I say we because I assume that other people, which isn't good. But anyway, can't stop anyone from doing anything. I don't know. Maybe I might call it a day. I don't know. Might call it a day, man. Hey, you guys on TikTok. What I'm going to do, I'm going to wait for a break above here. So I might wait for one more candle. You guys on TikTok, if you jump over to YouTube, I'm live on YouTube. I'm going to continue the stream there. And I hope to see you on YouTube. It's the same name as my TikTok name, Daniel Holmes Trades. So come over to YouTube now. There goes Tiki Toki. And I might just hang out for this candle over here and see if it wants to do anything interesting. If not, I might just call it a day. Call it a Dizway. No point to, you know. Nice break-even trade. I'm happy with that, man. You guys, it's a whole nother level. Like, if you can get a break-even trade, that's a whole nother level, my dudes. That's like, you know what? Like, I'm just going to save myself here. Be safe. It's patience, ability to manage psychology and greed. It's the mindset every stream. Just like me. Appreciate it, Matt. No worries, man. Yeah. Yeah, just patience. Just wait for it. And even when I entered that trade, I was like, I'm going to take this early. Like, I'm going to take the profits quick if I get them. Think of David Goggins, Pez. 2 years, Will. Two-ish years. Up on the day, yeah. 326. What is that? 650 USD to AUD. Oh, $1,038 for the day. Smash that button, hey. Call it a day. Yeah, I'm gonna wait to see what this candle does. Look at that, I've got that shit volume. Just got like kind of 2 impulsive shitty moves during the London and then just chilling. They're at 40% Oz tax. Clown face emoji? Why would you put a clown face? You know what's better than not having... You know what's better than the tax is actually having the money in the first place to be taxed. Oh, you haven't done that yet, Errol? Yeah, that's a big part of trading. Like if you get a trade and you know you want to end, you know that it's like it's probably a smart idea to put your stop loss at break even. You know, around the 10 pips maybe. Ah, the 4 hour as well. I forgot about that. 10 minutes, 4 hour closes. Interesting. Yeah, see how we saved us? Or I saved myself from unnecessary drawdown over here. That was good. That was a good call there on that trade. That was a very good call there. Hey, any of you guys that have come over from TikTok, make sure you drop a subscribe to the stream, my dudes. And a like. Get me to 200 likes and I'll I don't know. I'll go to the shop and buy a bottle of water or something. Just don't pay. Yeah, when people say, but the tax. Yeah, me being taxed on my winnings is better than not having winnings at all. I'm from Australia, brother. No, the 4 hour, yeah, the 4 hour on futures is an hour and 10 away. Forex, sorry, I was just talking about the Forex 4 hour, yeah. Connect. Connect, bro. What's the range to this point? 45 ticks. How do you feel about a close below 159? 159. Yeah, that's literally what I was just thinking there. My only reservation is the fact that this candle, if it could close like around this point where the candle body's decently fat, I think I might be a bit interested. That would be a 30 closure. Yeah, I think I would be interested. I think I'd be interested in that. What does the 1 hour look like? It'd be a bit of 1 hour support, maybe. Yeah, I think I'd be interested. One more like, really? Oh my god, one more like to get me to 200, you guys. Oh no, my camera died. No. All right, I'm gonna have to set up my other camera. I'm gonna have to put my other camera on here. We're taking it back to the old school. I hope you guys like really epic things. I hope you guys like really epic things. Because I'm about to hit you with some shit. I'm literally about to hit you with some shit. Fuck. All right. Yeah. We're pulling out the quality camera now. What do you know about the quality camera? This is how I used to stream. Maybe I need to take it back to those days. For all the haters. Yeah, fuck it. I've got to buy one of these type of recharge things for my camera. So I can charge it while filming. Best advice of the day, don't get bit on the schlong. Yeah, exactly. Yep. iPod camera, yep. Like you don't have one. What camera you use? Yeah, it's typically this, well, right now it's a phone, but typically it's my ZV-E10. Yeah, if this candle can close around here, I think it's not a bad idea. POV of what she sees. Bro! Pull out the Zest camera. Now you got me fucking self-conscious, Tyler. Oh wow, look how different this looks on. Futures is kind of stuck here. The candle is stuck? Bro, why is it like kind of stuck here? Let me reload. The fuck? Check Discord. Oh wow, there's a lot of things here. Bro! Bro, this is why I need my external camera. I need my external camera charger because things like that happen. Zesty camera angle, bro. Bro, I can't help it. My camera died. Yeah, we wouldn't want this to go. We don't want it to go any too much further, man. Looks good on 4x. What's the range up here? Oh, fuck. These are big ranges, man. These candles are really moving. Funded. Ever consider the military at one point? No, not at all. There's this one big meme. I know. At this point. Best 2 hours of the day event sent with you, Zest. Yeah, it's the best 2 hours of my day as well. You can really shout, man. I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry. Oh, today is April Fool's, yeah. Before gold, I traded all the pairs. I just traded everything, whatever I looked at. Just retarded shit. Bear with me, guys. I might... Now that I've got this new camera, I don't have to... Because I'm always thinking, fuck, my camera's going to die soon. I might hang out a little bit longer and wait for a setup, but I'm about to piss my pants. All right. If I get to 300 likes, I'll stay around for a bit longer. And get a trade potentially over here. Got a minute left. Very tricky here. Let me move this. Bladder problems come with age. Bro, no, I'm sitting on the stream for 10 years without pissing. Should I, Daniels, come on, you have nothing else to do anyway. No, I kind of do, but I'm also open to waiting for a setup, maybe. Trash range right now, man. Hopefully with this 4-hour closure on 4x, we might get some direction. Hopefully this 4-hour closure, which is happening in 3, 2, 1, pretty much, we might get some direction. Where'd the 15 close on 4x? What did that look on the 30? I might be interested in cells. I might be interested in cells. Yeah, no, but that should, it should be still sweet. That's not for another 5 hours. Should be still sweet for a while. I'm gonna put a cell stop here. I'm gonna lower my size a little bit. If this flips red, I might be interested in a cell. We'll see. We'll see. Having too much fun Discord. Bro! God damn it. Oh, look at my likes over here. Hey, Gold, bro, pick a side, right? Pick a side, my dude. Yeah, price is sort of ranging. Yeah, top step is good, Nikki. Yep. I think that's the right choice for sure. Damn, that's good. That's exciting. First ever. Yeah, I think that's a good idea. Yeah, gold is April Fool's and everyone, isn't it? Which prop firm you use? I use Bullinox, but I did just start a top step account over here. Just needs 488 to pass, but I have to do it tomorrow. I've already kind of at my kind of max limit for the day. Yeah, I'll see if this can flip in the next 5 minutes. Yeah, these ranges don't look big, but there's volumes really pushing shit around. You got 4 minutes, candle. 4 minutes, and if it doesn't flip, I'm done for the day, and I'm only looking for buys above this range after that. I'm not looking at any sells. Maybe a sells below here. But yeah, other than that, I don't care about anything else. Shouldn't you wait for New York? Nah. Did your Nightbot time out Perry by... Hey bro, I was thinking that. I swear I seen Perry's thing, like multiple things of Perry just randomly get deleted. Perry, you still there? Really? Let me click on his name and see if anything pops up. It just says remove and stuff like that, but put user in timeout. Yeah, I don't know what happened to Perry. Have to have a look after this. That's annoying. Advice for you after you become funded? Just keep doing the thing that got you to the show, bro. Just keep doing the stuff that got you to the dance. Anything because he got timed out by the owner or mod and didn't do anything? Nah, Nightbot's not active. Nah, I'll tell you, I have a reason behind it, chappy. But if it doesn't push in the next 2 minutes, I'll cancel it. The return of Nightbot. Nightbot just on a freaking ban spree again. Yeah, I'll have to look into Perry after this. Maybe he said a swear word, a bad word or something. All right, you guys, I'm done for the day. Unfortunate, there's just been fuck all price action here for the London session. We're just kind of be in this shitty range, which is what it is. I might watch a little bit off stream, but I'm only looking for a break above this range for a potential buy, or a break below this range for a potential sell. That's all. Don't force anything, you guys. One break even trade, kept ourselves safe within this shit, and that's it, man. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the Discord, or if not, I'll see you on stream tomorrow. Thanks, you guys. Appreciate you guys. Love you guys, and I'll catch you later.